it is windy today. Alright, so out for a quick morning errand and realized that I left my stuff in the car, so I'm in this area. Let me come check it out quickly. There is people here. They're over there on that side. But here's a dock that they put here. I don't remember seeing this. Must be new or last year or something, but I guess I haven't been here in a while. Oh, alright. Super chop. I'm sure. Too bad the wind is blowing into this. Oh, they do have the dock out. So that's something you're interested in. Yeah, the dock is out for this lake. So, okay. But yeah, super choppy. Super windy. It's freezing. Let's see. Anybody got action? And it's super windy. It is super windy. So if the audio is trash, you guys know why. It's windy AF. Okay. Again, you guys want to try these brutal conditions? Sure. Come. It's windy as heck today. I'm not even sure where the fish are. I'm gonna guess where everybody's over there. Yeah. Potato chips. Okay. Woohoo! That's all. As far as you can go. Here, go back over there. Whee! Alright. Come on, Mr. Fishy. Woo, there's wind. Alright, so the wind is suckage. Oh yeah, that just is over there. But they're not making it too deep. Maybe mine is too deep. Come on, buddy. I know you're hungry. Let me go over there. Ugh. Alright, so you guys know this is Spoon. People here fishing, catching stuff. Super windy day. People will be catching. Let's see. I'm joining them right between here. Holy smokes. This wind is atrocious. No chance. Okay, got one. Got him. Throw right into the school. Let's go. Alright, what is this? A little crappie. A little sunny. Looks like a little crappie. Okay, there you go. That's how you catch it. Oh, man, this guy nailed it. Alright. So there you go. That's what the hype is all about here. You guys can see in the video. Here you go. Little guy. So again, like I said in other videos, if you want them to grow big, we have to, right? have to let these little guys go in order to grow. So do a release here. All right, so I got a little dinker. Get bigger, bud. Okay, so that's how the bobber and jig depth. Not much depth. I'm not sure what kind of audio it's gonna get. It's super windy. It's horrible out here. But yeah, the jig and the bobber, I would say maybe 12 inches away, a ruler away from the bobber for the depth right here. Oh crap. And throwing against the wind is not your friend. So trying to get into the prime area, which I'm assuming is, oh, here we go, here we go, let's go, let's go. A little dink, I guess. I am freezing. I am not set up for this. Oh, there you go, Mr. Sunny here. I nailed it. Get bigger, buddy. All right. So yeah, it's just a rocker bobber, a foot away with a jig head and a gulp minnow. This is a emerald shine, no, watermelon pearl. This is the one I have on right now. Hope you guys can hear me. Watermelon pearl with the rocket bobber with a small jig. And again, this place has been hot, I guess, from the reports. Past few weeks here and there, depending on this weather. Like today's trash, but caught 2 fish. Saw a bunch of people catching them too. Think crappies, but if you're crazy enough like us here, holy smokes! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's go! All right, come on! All you guys are there. You guys are hungry. Even this crazy wind. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Boom. Here we go. All right. It's a little dink. Feels like a little sunny. Could be crappie too. Either one. Let's see. Oh yep, a little sunny. So yeah. Again, watermelon pearl gulp head. Gulp minnow with the little jig and a rocket bobber about a ruler away, and cast as far as you can. And the fish are there. So yeah, I guess you can catch fish on a brutal windy day. And this quick scouting, checking video here, you guys see? This is the wind blown side, so yeah, wind is blowing at us, and usually that is a good place to fish, but it's not good conditions to fish. But usually everywhere you fish, it's always a good thing to fish where the wind's blowing at you, because in theory the wind is pushing all of that bait fish or whatever, garbage, insects, veggies, whatever, to the shoreline, and that's where the fish come. Oh, I missed them. Alright, so we got a couple misses there. Come on, one more, buddy. That rock over there. Oh, so I got a couple right here, but let's see. All right, guys, so here's the setup here. rocket bobber, about a foot away. Jig head with a gulp minnow. This is watermelon pearl, I believe. And yeah, you just cast that guy out there as far as you can, and the fish will eventually take it. Getting mixed bags of crappies and sunnies. My GoPro battery died, so I'm on my phone recording it. But you guys know this spot has been hit or miss throughout this few weeks since ice out because of weather. But people have been saying that, yeah, they've been catching fish here. So again, it's just a bunch of dinks. Try not to keep everything you catch. As always, if we want quality fish, we do have to let them go and grow. And yeah, but hey, as long as you're within regulations and following the laws and rules, etc., you keep what you want to keep as long as you're doing what you're allowed to do, right? So, but yeah, you guys want some action today or next day, whenever, fish are still here. So, as always, guys, if you guys enjoy my videos, please like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, follow, etc. Helps me out a ton. And yeah, this is a quick video of checking out the action here. Alright guys, till the next one. Peace.